The church has two names, or Saint Jacek or Saint Hyacinth. I don't know which is correct. It's located 100 meters to well-known Barbakan. Yes, you see from the right side there is a wall and Barbakan. So this church was erected since 1603 up to 1639, and it existed 300 years. And to regret, during the Second World War in 1944 it was exploded by Germans, and immediately after the finish of the war it became rebuilt. It was rebuilt from 1947-1955. So we can see the rest of old walls. I think some walls survived the explosion, yeah. But generally, I think the church itself, it's rather new. This is why we don't see some frescoes on the wall, but there is an organ.